Welcome to Two Cooks in the Kitchen. Today we are going on a spicy adventure to make chili oil. Now I keep a bottle of chili oil, and as you can see, this is getting really empty. So it's time to get some more going. So what I have here is some chopped up peppers. These have been in the freezer for quite some time, and I really am glad to be getting them out. I have ricotta, and this one is some like scorpion ghost pepper mix. Really hot peppers. So here is where you can use fewer. You don't even have to use any chilies at this point, but I really like my chili oil to be really hot. Kelly's not going to eat it anyway, so I might as well,
don't have to share
the most bang out of it as I can. So that's what I'm using for sort of fresh chilies. And then I'm going to add in 3 Star Anise and 4 Cardamom Pods. I'll probably open these up when I put them in. And 2.5 cups of oil. Now, I like a little flavor in my chili oil, and I'm using peanut oil. You could use olive oil, just any oil you like. But I've really been adding that peanut oil flavor to stuff lately, and I'm going to continue to do so. So in go the chilies, the Star Anise. Oops, I was going to crush these. Just open them up is all. So they flavor it a little more. Oh, I know what I'm missing. I have to go find. I'm gonna have to go on a scavenger hunt in the spice cupboard because I'm missing my
red pepper flakes.
No, those are later. I am missing my what's it called? Well, we'll find out when I find it. Okay, here it is. It's the Sichuan peppercorns. These kind of have a numbing effect on your tongue. It's a very interesting pepper. Kelly does not like it.
I do not like those.
They're
weird.
I'm going to put in a really good tablespoon of them. I just really like it. I think it adds something to the overall flavor of this. So, in with my oil. And I did say 2.5 cups, and I'm using a 2-cup measuring cup. So last time I made this, I just used 2 cups of oil, and it didn't quite fill up my bottle when I was done. Because you're going to lose some to the, when you strain this off, some of it's going to stick to the chilies. So now what I'm going to do is bring this to a low boil and let it simmer for a half hour. And then I'm going to let it sit for at least a day, maybe 2 days, to just try and really infuse as much of this fresh chili flavor into the oil as I can get. Then we're going to pour it over dried pepper flakes and strain it off, and there's our oil. But I'm going to get this going. So this is simmering nicely. I'm just going to let it simmer for a while, somewhere between a half hour and an hour, and then I'll let it sit. All right, so our oil and fresh chilies has sat for a couple days now, and I brought it back up to a boil. Do be careful when working with hot oil, because it's, well, hot. I have 1.5 cups of red chili flakes. These don't have to be anything special. We buy the big thing at Costco. And I'm just going to do this in the sink in case of disaster. But now we're just going to take our hot oil and just pour it right over these chili flakes. And it's fantastic when you do that. Watch this.
And hopefully it doesn't crack the bowl.
Watch it bubble there. It's a pretty cool thing. So now, all we do is wait for this to cool so that we can pour it into our, strain it into our jar. But that's that. All right, so it's time to strain off our oil. I'm going to start, because this bowl is going to be a little difficult to pour out of. So I'm going to start by just taking some of the juice off right away. Put it in a container I can pour out of. Let's get some more. Not much you can do with the leftovers from this project. Compost. Maybe it would deter ants.
Or fruit flies in the compost bin.
Oh no, fruit flies don't care. But I don't know if ants like hot peppers. Okay. So anyway, you get the idea. We're going to make a full bottle of chili oil easily from this. And so thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen. Subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures. And we'll see you next time.